The Boxway Big Brother. Here we have the ACER 3VKH, which would be the bigger brother of the ACER 3VS. That'd be your standard size milling machine. The 3VKH has boxways on the Y-axis and your Z or W-axis. It's got a 10 by 50 inch table, give you 32 inches of travel on X. You got 17 inches of travel on Y, and 19 inches of travel on Z. It's got a table weight capacity of 850 pounds. And in this particular case, this machine has an X and Y axis power feed, 2 axes, dual DRO kit, and it's got a power draw bar. One thing to keep in mind with this machine, given that it's much larger than a standard size milling machine, is you're either going to have to build a platform or get a power draw bar for this thing, because it's a lot taller than your average size mill. My personal preference obviously would be the power draw bar, which will run you about $700–800 extra. It's well worth the money to me, unless you're never going to change your tool. Very nice machine. I'll actually just go ahead and take you around and show you some of the features real quick. Try not to make it too long here. So here we got our power feeds, nice and smooth. That's your DRO there. Y-axis power feed, your lube pump, manual. A nice set of weight covers on it. Actually kind of like this setup because then you can still get in there and clean it. It's got your standard 3 horsepower, variable speed milling head. If you guys have any questions about this milling machine or any of the ACER products, feel free to contact Rossi Machinery Services Incorporated. We're located in Ashland, Ohio. Have a good day.